Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna make full tutorial makeup on my everyday look tour. So as you can see, I've done my eyebrows. It's not perfect, I'm sorry. I really don't know how to do the brows. So first of all, I'm using this. It's Too Faced primer and setting spray. It's very good. I bought it at Sephora. So how to use it? Just like this. So after you put a primer on your face, you start using this. It's a Pure Power foundation made to last. It's a matte foundation. I bought it at Sasa. Voila! This is after I'm using the foundation. It might doesn't look anything wrong. So this one is by color correcting. It's by Innisfree. And after that, I'm using mineral concealer. It's also by Innisfree. So after that, after to burn the concealer, I'm using setting powder by Kat Von D. So while you're waiting the setting powder to burn your concealer, we're gonna do our eyeshadow. So I'm using Tartelette Flirt by Tarte. So what's inside? Ta-da! So I've done my eyeshadow. After that, we're gonna do our contouring. So for contour, I'm using a Tarte's Contour by Tarte. So what's inside? So I've done my contouring. Lastly is the blusher. I'm using blusher by Innisfree. So lastly is the highlighter. I'm using still the Tarte's Contour. This one. This color code. Lastly, I want to look pinkish today, so I'm using this lipstick by Maybelline. This is the color. Don't forget to setting spray still by the Too Faced again.